everyone, I'm Artana and I'm studying grade 7 in Litera, School, Sivagangai. Today I'm going to talk about physical changes and chemical changes. Physical change. A physical change alters the form of substances but does not change it to another substance. It changes shape or size. Physical changes occur when matter changes its property but not its chemical nature. Physical property changes could include a change in texture, shape, size, color, volume, mass, weight and density. Chemical changes. Chemical changes or changes matter undergoes when it becomes new or different matter. It burns. Temperature changes without heating or cooling. It bubbles, makes a gas. Substance undergoes a chemical change. It is changed into a different substances with different properties. To identify a chemical change, look for signs such as a color change, bubbling and fizzing, light production, smoke and presence of heat. Chemical changes example. A burning of camphor produces new substances which has different composition from a camphor. Physical changes example. Boiling water is a physical change and not a chemical change because the water vapor still has the same molecule. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi, my name is Gautam. My school name is Litera School in Sivagangai. I am studying 7th standard. This is my science project. The topic is physical change and chemical change. Activity 6.3. Take some ice in a glass or plastic tumbler. Melt a small portion of ice by placing the tumbler in a sun. You have now a mixture of ice and water. Now place the tumbler is a freezing mixture in plus common salt. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today I am going to tell about weather, climates, adaptation to animals and climates. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather at that place. The weather is generally not the same on any 2 days and week after the week. The maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the afternoon, while the minimum temperature occurs in the early morning. The times of sunrise and sunset also change during the year. All the changes in the weather are driven by the sun. The average weather pattern taken over a long time, say 25 years, is called the climate of the place. The tropical and the polar regions are the two regions of the earth which have severe climate conditions. Animals are adapted to the conditions in which they live. The polar regions are very cold throughout the earth. The sun does not set for 6 months in a year, and in the other 6 months it does not rise. Animals in the polar region are adapted to the extremely cold climate by having some special characteristics such as wide fur, strong sense of smell, a layer of fat under the skin, wide and large paws of swimming and walking, etc. Migration is another means to escape the harsh, cold conditions. Because of the hospitable climate conditions, huge populations of plants and animals are found in the tropical rainforests. Animals in the tropical rainforest are adapted such that they eat different kinds of food to overcome the competition for food and shelter.
Good morning to all. My name is Dinesh Kumar, grade 7, mlzscbse.School, Sivagangai. Today I am going to teach physical and chemical changes. This is lemon. You can use this vinegar also. I am going to add this baking soda. And that contains gas, that is carbonate water. Thank you.
I'm your friend Sumekha. I'm studying grade 8 in Litera Sr.Sec.School. Today I'm going to tell about gene. What is gene? Gene is a unit of inheritance in living organisms. It controls the transfer of a hereditary characteristic from parents to offspring. This means that your parents pass some of their characteristics on to you. If your father has brown eyes, you also have brown eyes. If your mother has curly hair, you might also end up having curly hair. However, the different combination of genes from parents result in different characteristics.
Morning, my name is K. Mithun Vishal. I am 6th standard. I am going to say about weighing machine. When we put a eraser in the weighing machine, it is weight. Another eraser we put in the weighing machine is so weight. Speech about weighing machine. A scale or balanced in a device to measure weight or mass. There are also known as mass scale, weight scale, mass balance and weight balance. Next, sand clock. I speak about sand clock. Sand clock is an instrument of measuring time consisting of two bulbs and glass joining to a narrow passage through with the quantity of sand or measure runs in just an hour. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivani. I am studying grade 6 in Mount Litera Sr.Sec.School, Sivagangai. Today I am going to explain about what is opaque. Opaque, it not allow any light to pass through object. Example for opaque. Example 1, wood. Example 2, an umbrella. Example 3, a wall. Example 4, a CD. Example 5, a piece of frog. These are called opaque objects. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Dinesh Kumar, grade 7, mlzscbse. Today we are going to see experiments. This creativity uses turmeric, a common spices of curry, as an indicator of acidity and basicity. Turmeric is in yellow acid, neutral substances, but turns in red with bases. This is turmeric powder. I am going to pour on this cup. This soap water, this is base and this is turmeric. I am going to pour. Now I am going to add this. Now it's become red. This is base.
Good morning. Nice to see you again. I would be like to introduce myself to you. I am a children, grade 7 in Mount Litera School. Process of breathing in human. The process of taking air rich in oxygen and giving out air rich in carbon dioxide with the help of respiratory organs is known as breathing. The taking in air rich oxygen in the body is called inhalation. Giving out air in carbon dioxide is known as exhalation. Inhale air 21% oxygen and 0.04% carbon dioxide. Exhale air 60.4% oxygen and 4.4% carbon dioxide. The number of times a person breathes in a minute is termed as the breathing rate. Breathing rate an adult rest is 15 to 18. Lungs are the respiratory organs of human. The movement of diaphragm and the rib cage help in breathing. Thank you. Have a pleasant day. Added.